Hey guys, just want to show you this new tool set I got. Harbor Freight. Ugh. Nah. It's heavy, kind of. Pretty heavy. This is the mechanics tool set, the 301 set. You know, I got this because YouTube be paying me the big bucks. Just kidding. I bought it out of my own money. YouTube's, I don't have enough subscribers or watch hours to get paid yet, but hopefully one day. If you guys want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. It would do me a big favor, and you get a big favor, because I'll be coming out with more content for you guys to watch. Okay, let me unbox this real quick. Ah, okay. Oh, that's upside down. Of course, it's upside down. Okay, let me turn this around this way real quick. Unboxed. This is the first time opening it. Please nothing fall out because it was upside down. Okay, I need 2 hands for this. Oh, okay. Not that bad. So I got some screwdrivers, this pair of pliers. I'll put that down. Get it to snap. And some pair of screwdrivers. You see all these screwdrivers that are kind of star head. I don't know what that's supposed to do right there. Flatheads, Phillips heads, and right here, let me take it out real quick. Let me snap some things in real quick. Okay, so you guys saw that part with all the screwdrivers, pliers. Here's this part. You have your wrenches, some Allen key sets, some swivel heads, some like star shaped things like that, and like some flathead things, you know, things like that, more like Allen style. Yeah, and like more like star head. Let me get this out of the way real quick. Here's the next set. So right here you have your first 2 like torque wrenches, kind of, or like socket wrenches. You have your basic set of sockets. I believe these are these are SAE. I think these are still SAE. These are metric right here. These go like 10 mil, things like that. Then you got your 16 mil, your 3/8 mil, and you got 3/8. You have whatever that is. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Yeah, but you have another swivel head, a bigger socket wrench, more sockets. You got extendos, so that's cool. You got like adapters, things like that. It's actually a really cool set for $200 plus tax. What I paid was $218. And then you have this last one, which I can't take out. Let me take you guys off the tripod real quick. So right here you have your big boy sockets. You got this beast, 1 1/4. Yeah, it shows you the sizes. Oh, I'm missing a 15 mil. I think I got it back to Harbor Freight. I'm missing a 15. Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys. I'm gonna go back to Harbor Freight and bring that back because I need a 15 mil. This is messed up, man. Harbor Freight, come on. Yeah, so simple mistake. It was just shifted. That one's on my part. Sorry, Harbor Freight. Didn't mean to criticize you guys, flame you guys that bad. But it is a good set, I could tell. They upgraded this button. And look, this is what I like about it. Because I'm someone who works on mini-max and stuff like that. So they have these special sockets that they have a spark plug thing again. Let me show you guys real quick. So I have a spare spark plug right here. So all you need to do, let's just say your spark plug's in there. If it could focus. Yeah. You would just toss it in there and look. Come on, coming out. This one specifically is the 1316. But yeah, it's not gonna come out. But the only thing with it, it's either you glue it or you lube the top of the spark plug, because this is what it does sometimes. Oh, never mind. Last time I did it, it came out with the little plastic thing in it. So yeah, that's the cool part about this set. I like about it, it comes with everything you need. It's whether it's you're just working around the house, if you're mechanic. I'm mainly working around the house or mechanic. Because there's a lot of things catered towards the mechanic, like these two spark plug ones. Then you have these humongous ones that I say they're humongous, but I know people have put out bigger nuts than this. And yeah, you got your extended ones, your small ones, small screwdrivers, your diagonal cutters, your regular pliers or needle nose. This one, I forgot what that's called. That thing right there, I forgot what it's called. And you got your little precision ones that you're working on your glasses, on things like that. Then you got your extendos. So let me get one of these out real quick. Let me hook you guys on the tripod real quick. So with the extendos, you would just, let's say something's too far. You put the extendo, let's just grab this 19 mil. Maybe we could get in there. There you go. And now you got your extended socket wrench. So yeah, that's cool. Like about it, and what I like about it, it's serviceable because you have these two little Allen heads. No, not even. This set comes with the same exact thing you need to. Same exact tool you would use to service it. Let me get. Yeah, so this is the T15x4, And it's the same exact one you would need to service this thing, which I find is cool because everything you need for anything around the house, any car, it's just right here for you guys. Honestly, for $200, this is a bang for your buck. And I'm not just saying that because I'm sponsored by Harbor Freight, which I'm not. I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight. And I can already tell this is a good set. So yeah, some things might be cheap about it, but those are things that you could upgrade down the line. But mostly, everything feels not the best, but not the worst quality. I mean, you could just feel that it's not the best, but it's good to get stuff done. I mean, even these smaller things over here. Which set is it? This is this one. Let me just toss it in there. It's just, everything is just nice about it. Let me just, this is the 10, 9, 10. There we go, it's organized now. Everything about it is just cool. It's just, I wouldn't say cool. It's just like kind of high quality a little bit, if you guys know what I mean. Like, it's decently cheap. It's $200. You get 300 pieces in it. You get basically 301 tools for $200, and it's just ready to go for you guys. Honestly, it was a good purchase, I feel. It was a very good purchase. And it comes with 4 sets of Allen wrenches. More, because of... Let me open this real quick. I don't need to open it. I'm just taking you guys off the tripod. So I know this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like screwdrivers. Technically, you don't. It comes with more because you do have these, which are kind of like Allen, these like T-style, and these like screwdriver, like actual screwdriver heads, like flat heads and Phillips heads. And you also got these tiny ones, these little precision ones. So yeah, and you got like 4 actual sets, 1 metric and 2 metric and 2 SAE or SAE, whatever the United States calls it. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 SAE ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metric. This goes from 15, 13, 12, 11, and a 10. This goes from 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, and 5/8, which is cool. You got whatever this. I forgot what these are called. Let me know in the comments what this is called if you guys know. So yeah. You know, this is just part 1 of this series. I will be like buying more tools and like basically building my own little toolbox, like setting it up, things like that. Cause this is my dad's. This is my dad's tool thing that he uses for other things. Cause mine, I'm gonna get the series. Hopefully, I'll get the Series 3 U.S. General one, and that has like little pistons, and I'll put like the same kind of wooden top on it. But I'll mount a vise on it, like a vise, and maybe even what's it called? A bench grinder. I don't know yet. If I get the big one, like the $600 one, I might maybe mount what's it called again? I just lost it again. Oops. A bench grinder, but most likely I'm just gonna mount a vise on it. So yeah. Once again, for $200, this is a bang for your buck. Not gonna lie. A bang for your buck. Once again, this is the mechanic set. This is the mechanic tool set with 301 pieces with a lifetime warranty, made by the one and only Pittsburgh. Remember, like and subscribe if you guys like the content. For you guys to get more content like this, or like the mini bike content, go-kart content, maybe even one day car content. But as of right now, that is not to be. Hopefully our first milestone is we get to 10 subscribers, then maybe to 50 and then 100 subscribers. Then the next milestone from that is just keep going the same way until we get to 1,000. Because once we get to 1,000, all we need is like 14,000 watch hours. Then I can start making money. And then hopefully start making more content for you guys. More content that you guys like and things like that. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next, please let me know down in the comments. Please. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.